Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog from rural area of Pakistan, Lower Punjab. Guys, you gave me good response in previous videos, so that's why I wanna say to everyone, welcome to another vlog. This is a rural area of Pakistan. This is a resource of this rural area, and you make a good analysis about this area. And this area is safe area, not risky area. Anybody can easily travel here, and you can make a good analysis about this road. This road is not good, and I think so, an international travel can't go from here because of the not the road. Guys, in this area there is no more population. There are some areas are here, and some people, they mostly their professional working is a farmer, and they are living a simple life, very simple life. Overall, the Pakistan is very culturalized country, mostly culturalized country. The lot of areas are full of the culture, like as some famous crop are here, but now the wheat crop is ready, and the other crop like as a sugar cane has finished. You can see that, but some people are working in the crop of sugar cane. You can see, guys. Wow, great, the people are working here. And some farmers are working in this land. A very great area. I guess, what do you think about this area? How's this area? What do you think about that? That will be easy for every man according to your thinking to travel here. Please tell me in comment. Oh my friends, I'm noting one matter, that is there is no hospital here, no school system here, and not I think electricity system here is in this area. I think there is some difficulties to living in village area, but not to developed area like as a cities areas. But village area, you can better understand that is I think the people in a rural area, they live a I think simple life, long life. They eat a simple food, and mostly I think the rural areas people become very more healthy than I think the citizen people. So that's why I like village areas, but a little bit difficulties are here. I think villager people, they are not more educated than city people, so that's why you can better understand that some difficulties are here. Oh, this is new. Recently we was talking about school. This is a school. I think it will be primary school. Guys, a little bit a problem is here because when I make a video, mostly impressions come from people because they think that why he's making a video from this area. But when I see a huge population anywhere, then I can't make a video. Because we don't think that about that. Guess there is some cloud, but not rainy day. But it's a bright chances that any day it can be raining. It may be raining. Friend, if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and never forget to press the bell icon. See you again if the life is remain.